Good morning, everybody. So, if you've been following us, we've had our truck for just past 2 years now. We've done lots of changes as we're trying to get our home away from home all set to go. I do not know the particulars, so we will get Walter to give you a walk around and all the things we have done, seeing as we've had a few people asking. Hope you enjoy what you see, maybe learn a few things or two, and I'll pass you off to Walter.
Hey guys, so in this video you'll notice the title says from stock to capable. That's to our capable. Everybody else has their own limit of capable. Joanna and I love exploring Forest Service roads with our truck, taking side trails, so we just want to make sure that our truck has the capability to do what we like to do. We also have a situation where we live in a condo, so we can't do the big lift and everything else. We got to be smart to keep it within a certain height, to keep it inside, because I like it to be inside. So here's a quick little video of just little things we've done to make our vehicle capable for what we like to do. All right guys, the obvious place to start is with our latest addition to the Tacoma, which you can see in there kind of behind the license plate is a Warren 10,000 pound VR Evo winch housed in the body armor Highlander series front bumper. Let's take it up to probably one of the first things we did to the truck actually, is we put the TRD Pro grill in with Raptor lights. Some like it, some don't. I like it. Then we put on the AVS bug deflector, rock deflector, whatever you want to call it. I like the look, and it seems to save my windshield because we haven't had any issues yet, knock on wood. Also, if you noticed, if we go up a little bit on the hood, we have vinyl wrapped the top of our hood to reduce glare, and let's face it, it just looks pretty cool. If we come around the side of the truck here, you're going to notice we've also wrapped our fender flares. Again, that's just a look thing, obviously. Up under there, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but we have installed a 2.5 inch zone body leveling kit to bring up that front end for approach angle. And in there, in the wheels, you can probably see, maybe not, it's kind of a hard thing to catch, but we have Spider 1.25 inch spacers to push the tires out to give us a little more stability. Up the side, just recently also, we've got our front sides tinted, and we actually went with the ceramic coating to reduce on the heat coming in the side windows, and actually, believe it or not, works quite well. Take you down a bit. These guys here have saved me so much grief in their little life on the truck. The All Pro Apex sliders. We've slid ourselves down a few rocks on these, and it's kicked out a few stumps out of my way, or kicked me out of the way, I should say, and prevented body damage in the box. If we go up top on the cab midsection, we've got the Prinsu rack. This thing has been phenomenal for helping us pack for trips and everything else. Not to mention, we also have the Vault by Pelican on top, which we keep recovery gear, tarps, straps, our camp stove, just anything for a day trip going out. And if you look to the left, you'll see we also keep our Max Tracks up there in case we get stuck. As we walk down the side, you will notice we have a cap on this truck. It is a Lear cap with the Cap It logo. Why not save a few bucks, am I right? We originally started doing a lot of camping in this cap until, you know, now the new norm seems to be 40-degree weather, and it's just an oven. And space was a little tough to work with, so we actually ended up getting the ARB awning room, which you have or will see in some of the videos. Behind us, again, we just got hooked on this black and green look. I love it. So we wrapped the tailgate. We obviously just put the standard Tacoma metal inserts into the back. And one cool thing we did, if we open this up, is we actually took out the stock tailgate insert and replaced it with this smooth one. So you actually have a cutting surface not so much like hygienically, but you can put a cutting board down on there, or do whatever. Something as simple as setting drinks down and getting in and out. You don't rash your knees so bad. So that was a cool addition. All right, and as we're looking down, come down, we actually have the body armor skid plate for our back end. Rather than it scraping along the hitch when we're, you know, going through washouts or whatever, it scrapes on that, keeps everything away from the bumper until we get a steel bumper. We come along the side, and if you look up, we run the ARB Touring awning. Again, that's what our awning room hooks up to. These things are great just for shade, you know, just a place to get out of the sun once in a while. It's awesome. I think everybody runs AVS wind deflectors on their windows. That's nothing special, but we have that also. And this whole vehicle rides on BF Goodrich KO2 275 7017s, which we will be upgrading to a 285 when we get our new rims. But we thought we'd rash out these rims while we're learning how to navigate through trails and stuff, so it wasn't a big deal to change it right away. So we hope you enjoy this little walk around of just kind of the stuff we've done to our truck just to make it more capable, like I said, for us. May still not be capable for some, but I haven't had any problems so far keeping up to trucks bigger than ours. So we're pretty happy with it. Thanks for tuning in, guys, and have a great day.